Hello, everybody. Hope you all had a super great weekend. It was really nice to get out and be with family and, just hang out in the park and just have a little bit of fun and just chill a little bit. So I hope you all had a really great weekend and I hope you came back rejuvenated, refreshed, and tackling your week, tackling your systems, tackling what you have to get done and just making it all happen. That's what it's all about. You know what? It doesn't have to be hard. You all know me, and I like things simple and easy and ready to go. So today I'm going to share with 3 steps here that is going to help you get it done. These are 3 simple steps that when you do this and you put this in this order and you have it unfold as you need to, then you're going to see things come about easier for you, come about more quickly, and hopefully more productive and more prosperous for you. So let's take a look here first at, you know how you get things that come in your mind when you're busy and you just think, oh, I really need to do that. Oh, if I do that in my business, I'll get sales. If I do that, or, oh, I got to do that with the family, or, oh, I've got to get that done. What do you do when you have those thoughts come to you? What is your reaction and what do you do with those thoughts? Do you just keep them in your mind saying, okay, well, I'll remember that later? Do you have a place where you put those thoughts? I mean, not just in your mind, but if you have a place where you will put those thoughts and get them and clear up the space, clear up your thought space is what I'm getting at here. Because when you do, you're going to make things easier and less stressful for yourself. And that's what it's about. It's not about what it's going to do for anyone else. I'm sharing with you today what good it does for me. Because I get these thoughts, and what I do is I take them and I will put them, if I'm out and about, I have my phone. Well, I have a notepad on my phone. Of course, everybody does. If you have a smartphone, you have a notepad. And I have different folders that I've set up. And I will just put my thoughts or my feeling or, oh, I really got to get that done under the different categories I have for my business, for my family, or I have a category of just life things I just need to do. So I will put those in each category and put them in there. And then I don't have to stress about it. I don't have to keep thinking that, oh, I'm going to forget that. I won't, because I have a system set up to where, and some people think, oh, well, what do you do? How do you remember? Well, I have a system set up for myself, a time system where I will go back and look at what I put in there and check them off. And when you check them off, that says you got it done. So you've completed it. It's finished. You don't have to worry about it anymore. You can just delete it off of your system. You can just totally delete it. You don't have to do it anymore. So that's the first thing I do when I have those thoughts and those feelings that I need to get this done or that done, or this is going to really help me a lot. So number 2 is I create a plan. It's simple, right? You can create a plan for anything you want. I create a plan and I take action. So when I look at my categories and I do what I want to do, that's my first question is, what do I want? What do I want? If you don't know what you want, then how do you know what to do? You have to know what you want. So I ask, what do I want? And then what do I have to do? What is in my systems, or what is in my strategies or my captures, however you want to phrase that? What do I have to do? What is mandatory that I need to get this done? Whether it be for the family, for the business, for lifestyle, for whatever it is. What do I have to do? So the next thing is, the third thing for that one is, what is a must? What must I do? What has to get done like now? I've got to get this done. This is time sensitive. Or maybe you're putting out a new course, or maybe you're putting out a training, or maybe you're going to a training, or maybe you're going to a seminar. Maybe you need to listen to somebody or take action on something else. So whatever it is, know what you need, know what you want, and know what you have to make it come together for you. If you don't make this happen for you, for your family, for your lifestyle, for your business, You're going to keep struggling. You don't want to keep struggling. No, it's no fun to keep struggling at all. So take a look at what you're doing, what you're not doing, and how you're doing it. And number 3 I have is leveraging. Leveraging is use the team of people that you are working with. Maybe you have people that you employ, or maybe you outsource to Fiverr or somebody like that if it's a graphic or something you need to have created, where you're not, spending a boatload of money to do it. It's so simple. So when you leverage it, you ensure that they know the end result. Always make sure whoever you're working with at any given time knows the end result. The end result is, what do you want the outcome to be? And you should always have a time limit on what you need, what you want, what you do. And when you do this, when you schedule your time, you don't waste your time. You set time limits for each task that you're doing, because your time is valuable. It's very valuable. So always set time limits. And also you'll find that the more you set time limits on what you need to get completed and how you need to do it, and everything is set to a time limit, you'll find out as you do this, and the more adept you get to doing it, then it's going to get easier and easier for you to mentally embrace this way of life, mentally embrace what you need to do. And it will become second nature for you to follow through and make it flow freely and easily through your life as you are creating these different systems, different strategies. But you need to leverage what you're doing, leverage your time, leverage the people that you work with that are on your team, that are helping you out. Leverage the people. If you belong to a team of people that can help you and that you can ask questions of and they will follow back on you, let them know when you're asking the question, what your outcome is and what you want to accomplish. By doing this, you're going to bring them on board with what you're doing. And you'll find more and more people will be more willing to assist you in a timely manner to help you reach your goals if you are on these teams. And I encourage you to get with people that are doing these steps already. It's going to be so much easier for you to get acclimated if you are with people who are doing this. And I just want to say, activity without purpose is a drain to the lifestyle. If you have activity, you're doing things, you're doing stuff every day. But if it doesn't have a purpose, you're draining your lifestyle, which means you're not going to get the lifestyle you truly want until you get yourself together and start making it happen. So take the steps to learn what you need. You have to learn what you need that works for your business, that works in systems, that works in courses. You have to keep learning every single day. And in your learning, you have to make connections. If you're going to be in any type of a business, it doesn't matter if it's brick and mortar, it doesn't matter if it's online, it doesn't matter. You have to make connections if you want to have success. So be sure that you're making the connections that you need to make every day. And you should be doing this every single day. That's the biggest part of prioritizing your time, leveraging your skills that you are learning or have learned on what to do and how to do it. So when you do this, and when you're in with a team of people that are doing this, you'll find that it is so much easier for you and everyone else to keep growing and being prosperous and being in connection with everything else and everyone else. So take a look at that. Don't put it on the sidelines. Don't wait. Get it done and take action, because learning, making connections, doing this daily, this is a huge factor in what you will have for your success. So I also have a link up here to my newsletter. So please get on my newsletter and you'll get more and more information, and there's different things that I'm putting out. And also, I put a link up here for some more training. So if anybody wants to get in on that. And again, focus on what you're doing and leverage your time. If you are having a problem with, maybe focusing or whatever, you can do what I do, and I listen to the binaural beats and the theta beats. They're really, really good theta waves, I should say. I have them playing in the background all the time, and I have theta waves here today. So I encourage you to use these steps because I use them for myself every single day, and I see success in whatever I'm doing. I see success in my business. I see success in my lifestyle. I see success in what I want, all because I leverage my time and I created a plan each day. I have a new plan each day for what I need to do and what I'm going to do to get it done. It's all me doing it. So there's nobody telling me I have to do this. And you can do the same thing. And I encourage you to do that. And like I said, get with people that are already doing this. Get with people that know what they're doing. And you'll find it's so much easier because you want to make those connections, okay? So make a lot of connections this week, and I hope you all do. And I will see you all later. I am grateful for everyone who's joined me on this call. And I've got 2 platforms going here. I've got the group platform and I've got the live platform. Crazy, huh? Thought I'd just tackle 2 at once. Yeah, that's why I keep looking away. Okay, guys, I will chat with you later and have a super great day.